Hey everyone, we're here for the first round of the YZ65 Cup at Shark Park. We've got an action-packed day for these young riders. We're currently doing a track walk. First impressions, they've really put some water down on this track. Hopefully it keeps dust down for the night. Yeah, it looks like a nice techie technical track, so hopefully the kids are going to enjoy it.
There's no supercross over in New Zealand. Well, it's real nice, and like it can also be nerve-wracking, and like the track's perfect.
We're lucky enough to have Craig Dack here with the Monster Energy CDR team. They're going to be able to provide us with a truck tour for these young riders. We've also got a rider signing session.
This is a local race for me, and most of my family are coming out to watch me.
Glad to be here, really. Yeah, I don't really care what I get, it's just for the experience.
So for us at Yamaha Motor Australia, these are grassroots events to provide these young riders with an opportunity to get to see what it's like to be a professional rider for the day and get to experience that, and hopefully off the bat of that they'll be a Yamaha customer for life.
I got a good start, got a whole shot. Just got all the doubles and led the race.
We're going to be leading into round 2 at Marvel Stadium, and I heard there's some fantastic Australian talent that's also going to be there as well, so who knows, maybe they'll see some of these young riders as well.